you everybody for being here today. It's Friday, thank God I'm free. Team Cardone. What would you say? It's Tuesday. Oh yeah, it is Tuesday, you're right. Let's see, we got some visitors. Who we have visit in the office? All right, well, y'all step forward. Everybody step forward. We're gonna go one by one. Introduce yourself, tell us why you're here, and say something cool.
No pressure. Yeah, right. Start with me. All right, my name is Elliot. I'm here to actually just become part of the team. I'm excited to be here. I actually watch this meeting so often, and it's an honor to be here. I hope I can join the team and contribute.
Awesome.
Jeremy Moorhead from Frisco, Texas, baby. How about the Cowboys? Let's go. All right. Check this out. Check this out. I'm here to join.
Frisco, Texas. How about them Cowboys?
But here's the deal. I'm here to join the baddest organization on the freaking planet and bring my 1%. Let's go.
Come on.
I'm Matt McKinney. I'm from Carmel, Indiana, and the reason I'm here is I'm here to be a multimillionaire. That's what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
My name is George Martinez, and I'm from Tampa, Florida. I drove down this morning. I'm going to meet with Todd to join the team, Team Cardone. I'm ready to 10X and actually take myself to the next level and be around a group of ballers right now.
Come on.
All right, I'm Keith Lee from Indianapolis, Indiana, and I'm here to be one of the next top sales producers for your organization.
Coming for you. Appreciate you guys all being here today. All right.
Two deals. Deal number one, Laporte Consultants from Mr. Christian Fowler and Mikey Bonnet. Let's give it up. And the deal of the day for Andrew S. Vincent Insurance Agency Incorporated, Scuba Steve Sprague. We had a good day, 15 appointments, 6 demos, 2,562 calls, 74 hours of talk time, and we're off to a really good start. We also have a really important award to give out. It's slightly delayed. Slight delay.
Slightly.
But we do have our top producer for March of 2018. Okay, March of 2018. I believe.
Y'all know how this goes.
I believe it was 5 months in a row. Of course, the one and only Mr. Michael Bonnet for March of 2018.
Let's go, let's do this. Come on now. On to the next one. Let's roll.
Hey, Ryan, you got an update for real estate?
Not sure, Harry, you hear something?
Yeah, hear this. Let's give it up for another 7-figure day.
Nice job, Harry.
That was because there was no participation from Harry yesterday, so he wanted to over deliver today. So yesterday we did another awesome day. There was really 4 investors who came in and really showed up. So Tim Test, he's now doing network marketing, but he was actually a scientist. So he was a former director of nuclear operations. He didn't realize when he first called me, he's like, I got 100 grand, I got $200,000. He was selling his single family homes and he wanted to invest with us. When I spoke with him last week, he's like, actually, you know what? I've got $750K in my self-directed IRA. Can I put that in the fund? And sure enough, the answer is yeah. And so within 1 week, he put $750 in. So $750 came in from him yesterday. Adam Ackley, he's a real estate broker in California. He put in $290K. And then Jason, one of the Whittingers, so they just sold their insurance company. He put in $1 million as well. And then also Joe Balducci, he's been an investor in all funds. He put another 100K. So yesterday we did 2.3 million, which brings the fund up to 44.8. And so the thing's over committed, right? The target is 45. And I know it's changed kind of throughout the last 6 months. And the reason it changes is because once the deals go into the fund, that's when you know exactly how much equity you need, how much money you need for the fund. So it started at 40, then it went to 42, then it went to 44, now it's at 45. And so it's going to be closed, it's already closed out, it's overfunded by $1 million. But now we're just getting new subscriptions.
Way to go, Ryan! Yeah! Okay, any announcements?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ross.
Holy crap, it's Oreos.
Happy birthday to you.
That's a lot.
Say something cool, man.
Well, I mean, I've been here for like 5 years, and the thing that I really want to say most is that being a part of a group like this is awesome. Grant's taught me everything that I know. I would not be here without Grant and the sales guys and Jared and Sherry and everybody that's here. I just want to, it sounds ridiculous for what, but everybody that's here, you have an opportunity. Is it really? You want to, yeah, with Hal? Yeah, a little weird, dude. But you have an opportunity to learn and really change the outcome of your financial condition in every area of your life because of what Grant teaches in the group. So that's it. And I'll leave it off with, what day is it?
Wait. Thank you for that.
Okay.
We also have another birthday.
Yeah.
It's Marcelo's birthday. And not to be forgotten, not to take any thunder away from you guys. That's cool. Billy the Fish is 1 year old. Dude here, because Jared, his business before he came here was fish tanks and fish and stuff, and pretty much it. And he said he ain't never seen one of these things last longer than 3 months. And the 10X has infiltrated this guy's tank, and now he's been here for 2 years. Let's sing happy birthday for Marcelo. Happy birthday to you, Marcelo. Happy birthday to you, Marcelo. Happy birthday.
That's what we do every day. We bring them together every day. We celebrate. We make fun. We poke fun. But mostly we celebrate the wins and successes of the day before. Do that with your team. See if you got it in you to do every day. The sales team's already done their training today. Then we do our meeting. Okay, be great. Have a great weekend. Make your people great. Insist that they're great. And if they're not gonna get great, then tell them to what? Not excavate, to what? To hit the dough, bro. Hit the dough, bro. We don't have space for average when we're looking for the greatness. Hit the dough, bro.